Alright squad, we're about to break the internet again. You've seen me give away cars, islands, and private jets. But this is different. We literally spent millions of dollars creating something so insane. We turned me into a video game character. That's right. This is mrBeast fully digitized, optimized, and ready to dominate any game universe. Check this out. Fully stylized model with 26,000 triangles of pure power. Built on epic skeleton, works with any Unreal Engine animation. 52 ARKit blend shapes for perfect facial expressions. Live link support for real-time mocap. The possibilities are absolutely ridiculous. Become a VTuber ASME. Stream in VR looking like this. Mod me into any game. Create content that will blow up. I want to see you guys do crazy stuff with this. Make me fight dragons. Make me deliver beast burgers in GTA. Make me do the gritty in Fortnite. To every gamer, every creator, every mad scientist out there, let's make his game. Get yours now, and let's go viral.